So Halloween is fast approaching. So today's video is going to be Halloween kids activities. So I've done lots of activities. There's also some food related items that we're going to make a little bit spooky and things like that in this video. So yeah, stick around and give it a nice big thumbs up if you like this sort of thing. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. So there are so many kids activities that you can do and tailor around Halloween. I'm going to first of all talk about some of the kids arts and crafts that you can do Halloween based. And the first one is cards. In particular, we made a skeleton handprint card with my daughter. She loves anything arts and crafts. She is just all over it, all involved in that sort of thing. So she really enjoyed this activity. And what you'll need for this one is some black card and white paint and some earbuds as well. So we just, obviously really simply folded the card in half and paint your child's hand with the paint, get them to do some handprints on there. So one central in the middle. And then you're just going to need to cut the earbuds in half and they become the bones within the hand. So they're really easy to stick and glue on. And these are really effective. We like to hand them out to family and friends as a little Halloween card. And yes, Amelia really enjoyed doing these. So next up is the ghost toilet rolls. Now we always collect the card paper bit of a toilet roll. There are so many activities and craft ideas that you can do with the toilet roll. So we often have a bag full ready to go for our craft days at home with toilet rolls. And this year we have made them into ghosts. So really again, simply just paint them all white. And then with some spooky black eyes and a mouth, and then you're going to just need to shred some toilet paper into sort of like long strips and then glue these on the inside bottom so that when you hang them up they sort of become all ghosty and moving and things. And yeah, they're really effective actually. So then you're going to need some string or something like that and make 2 holes in the top side and hang with tie the string there, just so then you can hang them up as decoration and decor around the house, which your kids will absolutely love. I know mine daughter loves to make the house look all spooky and Halloween. Again, this was another one she really enjoyed making. And she's my daughter's 4 years old, so she really is just quite involved with arts and crafts now and can do this all on her own. Obviously, if you've got younger ones, you could maybe get them to paint it and you draw the eyes on or something like that. But this was a really good one and just nice for decor around the house. The next art and craft I wanted to talk about was creating a ghost using cotton wool. So you're going to want a piece of card or paper and cut this out into a ghost shape. Then if you've got some white cotton wool and some glue, so just put your cotton wool in one bowl and some glue in another, and then just let your child dip the cotton wool into the glue and then create their ghost using cotton wool. Also what I did is, again with some black card, cut out some eyes, spooky eyes and a mouth, and then at the very end Amelia then got to stuck the eyes and the mouth on to finish off the ghost picture. Again, it's a really another enjoyable one, having different textures as well using cotton wool. She really enjoyed doing that. But it's a really nice activity to create a ghost around Halloween. So for the next activity, you're going to need a paper plate. Most people have some paper plates stored in their cupboard from an old, kid's birthday party or something like that. So grab yourself a paper plate, and then with this we're going to be making pumpkins. So you're going to need some orange paint for this, and again we just cut out some shapes and stuff for the eyes, or obviously you can paint these on as well if you wanted to, but she painted the whole plate orange and then we stuck the other bits on at the end when the plate was dry. Amelia really enjoyed again doing this. It's a really simple one actually, so there wasn't a lot involved we had to do as long as you had that paper plate. So yeah, again this is a really nice one. You could get if there's a couple of kids around the table they're all doing it, and it's a really nice activity to do together. So another really enjoyable activity for the kids. Another activity, especially now it is autumn, so the leaves are falling down from the trees, is to get some leaves. The bigger the leaf the better. Paint these all white and then put some eyes and again, some eyes and a mouth on it. There's quite a lot of ghost activities. I don't know why I ventured more towards ghosts this year, but this is another ghost. But again, it's really nice taking from nature, so using the leaves as well. They're learning about autumn that way too. And it's just another nice activity to do again together with all the kids. It's really simple. Yeah, so Halloween, you're gonna need quite a lot of white paint if you're going to be doing ghosts. But yeah, this is a good one. So I'm going to move over to some food items now, and the first one I want to talk about is some ghosts, surprise surprise, but making ghosts out of carrots and cucumber. This is really simple and really effective, and my daughter absolutely loved it. She thought it was a brilliant idea and really enjoyed seeing the ghosts and actually eating them as well. So if you've got fussy eaters that don't want to eat their veg, make them fun like this and they'll definitely want to eat them. So all you need to do is to get some carrots and some cucumber and cut them into strips, long strips. So I think I got about 4 from each carrot and about 4 from the cucumber as well. And then just cut the bottoms kind of in diagonals, so it's a kind of like spooky at the bottom, ghosty at the bottom. And then I used a straw to pierce through the eyes and the mouth, just to create that. And yeah, I just feel like I was really impressed with them. My daughter was as well, and as I said, she really enjoyed having that with hummus, so she did and had that snack with hummus. So that was a great after school snack that she had, and she really enjoyed coming home to that. So next up is witch's fingers. Using some garlic bread and black olives. So you're going to need to get some garlic bread. You can make your own. To be honest, I got it from a shop and just cut it into strips, obviously finger sort of width strips, and then cut your olives in half, and that's going to become your fingernail at the end. So these, again, it's just a bit of fun, especially if you're having a Halloween party or something like that. I think these would look really great and impressive. And yeah, again, for the kids, it just makes it like sort of fun and funny. But I think it would look really impressive sort of on a Halloween table spread with your witch's fingers. Have you tried doing some ghost pancakes? So again, this is another really simple concept. Is obviously to get your pancake mixture and try to shape it into a sort of ghosty shape. And if you've got any sort of like chocolate buttons or anything like that, put them as the eyes and mouth, and your kids will absolutely love these. And again, on Halloween morning or in the run up to Halloween, you can do these together, and it's just really nice way to enjoy breakfast over Halloween. So that is everything that I have to share with you today for Halloween. Let me know in the comments below if you try any of these activities with your children and what they thought. I'd absolutely love to know. And yes, please do give it a nice big thumbs up for me if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, please come subscribe. I'd love to have you. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.